Luxury yachts represent wealth and a passion for maritime exploration. They are floating estates designed for comfort and performance. Yachts symbolize freedom and the ability to explore the open ocean. They offer a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. Luxury yachts are a statement of personal achievement and refined taste. Luxury yachts are meticulously crafted vessels. They blend engineering excellence with opulent design. These yachts offer a unique experience on the water. They are designed for comfort and performance. Luxury yachts represent the pinnacle of maritime leisure. Attention to detail is paramount in their construction. Motor yachts are defined by their powerful engines. These engines enable high speeds and efficient cruising. They are designed to offer both speed and comfort. The Sunseeker 88 is a prime example of sleek motor yacht design. Its design emphasizes aesthetic appeal and hydrodynamic efficiency. Motor yachts represent luxury and advanced marine engineering. Motor yachts are luxury vessels designed for recreational cruising and extended voyages. These yachts typically range in length from 25 to 40 meters, approximately 82 to 131 feet. The cost of a motor yacht can vary significantly based on size, features, and brand. Prices generally range from $3 million to $30 million, or even higher for custom builds. Motor yachts are known for their spacious interiors, offering comfortable living areas. They often include multiple cabins, saloons, dining areas, and entertainment systems. Sailing yachts blend wind-powered navigation with luxurious design. Models like the Nautor Swan 78 appeal to those valuing tradition. They also attract individuals who appreciate modern technology. These yachts offer a unique combination of performance and comfort. Sailing yachts combine performance with elegant design. The price range for sailing yachts is often $5 million to $50 million plus. The cost reflects the yacht's size, materials, and craftsmanship. Advanced technology and customization also impact the price. Luxury amenities and features contribute to the overall value. High-end sailing yachts represent a significant investment. Superyachts are luxury vessels exceeding 24 meters in length. Many superyachts extend beyond 60 meters, showcasing grandeur. These yachts often feature multiple decks for enhanced space. Superyachts represent the pinnacle of maritime luxury and design. Superyachts represent the pinnacle of luxury and bespoke design. Models like the Azimut Grand 35M exemplify this opulence. Larger vessels, such as the Fedship 85 meters, offer even greater customization. Interiors are custom designed to reflect the owner's unique tastes. Amenities are tailored to provide the ultimate in comfort and entertainment. Superyachts offer a personalized and luxurious experience on the water. Superyachts represent the pinnacle of luxury and maritime engineering. The price of a superyacht can vary greatly based on size and features. Prices typically range from $20 million to over $500 million. Many superyachts include exclusive features like helipads. They also offer extensive entertainment options for guests. These amenities contribute to the overall cost and exclusivity. Expedition yachts are designed for ocean exploration, even in icy waters. These yachts are built to withstand harsh conditions and navigate challenging environments. They are equipped with features that ensure safety and comfort for passengers. Expedition yachts often accommodate numerous guests for extended voyages. Expedition yachts, like the Ice-class Explorer 90 meters, represent rugged luxury. These yachts are designed for exploring remote and challenging environments. The cost of such yachts can range from $100 million to over $600 million. Their high price reflects advanced engineering and luxurious amenities. Master cabins on luxury yachts are designed to rival five-star hotel suites. They typically feature panoramic views, enhancing the onboard experience. King-size beds are standard, providing ultimate comfort for guests. Private lounges are often included, creating a personal space for relaxation. Guest cabins on yachts are designed to ensure comfortable travel for visitors. These cabins offer luxurious accommodations, rivaling high-end hotels. Personalized service is a key component, catering to individual guest needs. Attention to detail ensures a premium experience for all guests on board. Luxury yachts feature expansive sun decks for outdoor living. These decks often include jacuzzis for relaxation and leisure. Sun lounges and dining areas offer spaces for entertainment. Al fresco bars enhance the outdoor experience on luxury yachts. Many yachts are equipped with swim platforms for easy water access. Swim platforms provide a dedicated space for aquatic activities. These activities include swimming directly from the yacht. They also facilitate diving and snorkeling adventures. Swim platforms enhance the overall yachting experience. Onboard cinemas offer a private entertainment space on yachts. These cinemas are equipped with high-end audio systems. Comfortable seating enhances the viewing experience. They offer a luxurious cinematic experience at sea. Yachts often include gyms and spa rooms for guest wellness. These facilities enable guests to maintain fitness routines. Guests can enjoy wellness activities while at sea. These amenities enhance the luxury yacht experience. Luxury yachts can include miniature nightclubs for exclusive entertainment. These nightclubs offer a unique venue for parties and events at sea. They provide a private and upscale experience for yacht guests. Features may include dance floors, bars, and DJ setups. High-end yachts integrate smart home systems for enhanced convenience. These systems offer seamless connectivity through advanced technology. Features include sophisticated audio systems for entertainment. Wi-Fi is provided via satellite networks, ensuring constant internet access. Smart home control systems manage various yacht functions. This integration ensures a luxurious and connected onboard experience. Luxury yachts often feature a variety of water toys for enhanced onboard experiences. Common water toys include jet skis for high-speed water activities. Sea bobs offer underwater propulsion for exploring marine environments. Inflatable islands and scuba gear provide options for relaxation and diving. Support boats, known as tenders, serve various functions in open water. They are commonly used to transport guests to shore from larger vessels. Tenders also facilitate water activities by towing equipment and participants. This provides flexibility for exploring coastal areas. Tenders enhance convenience for accessing remote locations. Large yachts offer personalized dining experiences. Professional chefs are employed to cater to guests. Chefs customize menus based on individual preferences. This ensures a unique and tailored culinary journey. Yacht stewards deliver personalized service. They ensure every guest need is met. Attention to detail is paramount. Stewards maintain complete discretion. Service is seamless and unobtrusive. They enhance the yachting experience. Yacht engine rooms require meticulous maintenance for operational reliability. Engineers oversee all yacht systems to ensure smooth functioning. Regular checks prevent malfunctions and ensure passenger safety. Maintenance includes engine diagnostics, repairs, and system upgrades. Properly maintained systems are crucial for a safe and enjoyable voyage. Experienced captains ensure yacht safety through their specialized skills. Captains provide expertise in navigation, weather, and vessel operation. Their knowledge ensures a smooth and enjoyable journey for all passengers. Safe yacht navigation relies on the captain's proficiency and decision-making.